Let y1x and y2x be two linearly independent solutions of the differential equation x square y double prime x minus 2x y prime x minus 4 yx equal to 0 and x belongs to 1 to 10 interval closed interval 1 to 10. Consider the Wronskian wx function of Wronskian is a variable x is in variable x and can be defined as y1 x y2 prime x minus y2 x minus y2 x y1 prime x. If w1 equal to 1, then w3 minus w2 equals. For option associated, this problem is given to us and we have to find the right one option. As y1 and y2 linearly independent solution of x square y double prime x minus 2x y prime x minus 4y equal to 0 and x belongs to closed interval 1 to 10. This is homogeneous linear differential equation or Cauchy-Euler equation of order 2 of order 2. Then its auxiliary equation, or we can write if we use this substitution, then differential equation can be written as now this is the another form of differential equation, or it's obtained by when we put x equal to e raised to the power z or z equal to log x. We substitute this value in the original differential equation and we obtain this form. Then its auxiliary equation in terms of m will be m minus 1 minus 2m minus 4 equal to 0, or you can write m square minus m minus 2m minus 4 equal to 0. This implies m square minus 3m minus 4 equal to 0. 4 1 ja 4 minus 4 minus 2 2 ja 4 and 4 1 ja 4. 4. So roots are 4 and minus 1. 4 1 ja 4. Subtract 3. So minus 4 and plus 1. It means x minus 4 and x plus 1 are factor. So x minus 4 x plus 1 equal to 0. This implies x equal to 4 and x equal to minus 1. These are the roots of this auxiliary equation. Then solution y1 or y1 is a function of x. You can write c1 e raised to the power 4z because this is the auxiliary equation for variable independent variable z. So write z. If you write here x, then you are wrong. And y2 x will be c2 e raised to the power minus z. Now replace this z with log x. c1 e raised to the power log x and 4 times and y2 equal to c2 e raised to the power minus log x. This gives y1 equal to c1 x raised to the power 4 and y2 equal to c2 upon x. These are our linearly independent solution as given in starter line. Now consider the Wronskian. This is Wronskian. Wronskian is y1x Wronskian wx is defined as y1 y2 prime minus y2 y1 prime. This is Wronskian, or you can write Wronskian function in terms of determinant y1x y2x and its prime means difference derivative. So these are alternate form of Wronskian. Now put value of y1 y2 and its respective derivative. So wx will be c1 c2 x square minus 4 c1 c2 x square, or you can write minus 5 c1 c2 x square. As you can see here, this is y1, so its y1 prime will be 4c1 x raised to the power 3 and y2 prime will be minus c2 x square. Then use this value in this equation. So y1 y2 prime, it means c1 x raised to the power 4 and y2 prime is minus c2 upon x square. Now x square 2 power cancel out, it means minus c1 c2 x square. This is first term, and similarly you can find second term. It will come out 4 c1 c2 x square. So Wronskian function w can be written as minus 5 c1 c2 x square. Now it is given to us w1 equal to 1. So put 1 in place of x. So it will be minus 5 c1 c2 and this is equal to 1. It means c1 c2 equal to minus 1 upon 5. Use this value in the Wronskian function w. It means wx is minus 5 x square. This is x square. Now Wronskian function we have find out wx is equal to x square. Now we have to find out w3 minus w2. It will be 3 square minus 2 square, 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. Now 5 is in option D. Option D is our right choice. So when we once we find the Wronskian function w, then there is no hard problem to find out this difference at the point 3 and 2. So our most focus should be to find out Wronskian function w.